Welcome to Beloved Technology. Do you want to create a professional, realistic talking video? A video of yourself talking professionally from photos? Gather here, let me teach you. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channels. God bless you for doing so.
Hello guys, so in this tutorial, like I said, I'll be teaching you how you can generate a professional, realistic talking video of yourself from photo. So the tools I'll be using for this tutorial is Grok AI. So I'm clicking on Grok right now. So I'm going to wait for Grok to open. Then you select create video. If you are a new user, you'll be prompted to log in with your phone. So also you might be in this panel which is ask. So you can just switch to imagine and then you click on create video. So now pick any from here, but I'm looking for so on the plus button in downside here, and then wait for it to the photo gallery. So this is the photo library, and I'll be selecting this picture here because that's the picture I want to talk. So I want this picture to talk professionally. So I'm going to click on done. Then when you click on done, it's going to be uploading the image by itself and generate the video automatically. But that's not what you want. What do you want the AI to say? You need to specify that. So to do that, we have to come to this type to customize video, and then I'm going to use a very simple prompt. I will say make him talk dramatically, saying welcome to Beloved Technology. So welcome to Beloved Tech. So glad or let me just say, welcome to Beloved Technology. Do you want to create a professional, realistic talking video? So now one thing you need to know very clearly is that don't write too many prompts. Like don't write too many words that you want your video to talk. Once you give it too many words, number one implication is that it will start talking unclearly. Like instead of saying welcome, you can just say welcome to. So because it's going to rush that keyword you ask it to say, and when it's rushing it, it will not be able to say some word correctly. And the second implication is that it will not be able to say all the word, and your video will be it will look incomplete. So you should already plan what you want your video to say, so that it's not be too much, more than three. This 3 line is okay. If your prompt is going beyond, if the word you want your character to say is going beyond 3 lines, then you should know that there's going to be an error in that video. So that's why I stopped there. Welcome to Beloved Technology. Do you want to create a professional, realistic talking video? Let me add question mark so you know it's a question. Video. Then I'm going to send it like with that arrow and wait for it. So the video it generated before is not what I want. It just gives you any style of video. So but you need to specifically tell the Grok AI what you need in that video. So make him talk dramatically, saying, "Welcome to beloved technology. Do you want to create a professional, realistic talking video?" So let's see what it's going to say.
Welcome to Beloved Technology. Do you want to create a professional, realistic talking video? Welcome to Beloved Technology. Do you want to create a
You click on this arrow to download it. So now our video is downloaded. So I'm not done yet, so you can see the process of how I did it. So the continuation of this, what is said is now is that of yourself, a video of yourself talking a video of yourself talking professionally from photos. Yes, from photos. Come here, let me teach you. Or let me say gather here, let me teach you, while smiling. Now listen to where I put the while. I first of all put, that's what you need to know, I put it in quotation, a video of yourself talking professionally from photos. Gather here, let me teach you. Then I close the quote. Now after the quote, you now see that while smiling funnily. So that while is is after the quotation mark I put there, which means it's not going to say while smiling funnily. It's going to say a video of yourself talking professionally from photos. Gather here, let me teach you. But it's not going to say why smiling funny, because that is just a comment, an instruction to the AI to allow the character to smile in a funny way. You understand now? So come here, let me teach you. So I'm going to send it. So I'm going to wait for it. So you will be looking at this photo. This photo also is AI generated. There is a tutorial on how you can generate AI photo, Gemini AI photo of yourself. Realistic, your face will not change, everything will be intact. You can watch it from my YouTube channel.
A video of yourself talking professionally from photos? Gather here, let me teach you. A video of yourself talking professionally.
So I'm going to download it. For the last video I would like to generate here, in which you are already seeing, I'm going to edit it and say a video like me, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channels. Thank you so for doing so. Or let me just say, God bless you. God bless you for doing so. So I'm going to send it. So that's it. Let's watch it and see.
A video like me. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channels. God bless you for doing so. A video like.
So that's how I actually generated this video. You just watched from the beginning. So it's easy to generate any video of yourself from photo. Very easy using Grok AI. And like the AI said, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It will encourage me more. As I'm talking, I'm not AI, but the video is AI. Thank you. Hope to see you next time. This is Beloved Technology. God bless you.
Please subscribe to our channels. Please, I'm begging you. Please.